Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace the hard disk of an Sony Vaio laptop. Turn your laptop upside down, open the hard disk compartment door, unscrew the two screws, pull the door by using a sharp that is a tweezer or a panel opening tool. Unscrew the two screws which are at the below side of the hard disk, that is towards the end of the laptop. Push the hard disk back side, hold the tag, pull it up and push it up front. Okay, now the hard disk is out. Remove the four screws surrounding the hard disk. After removing them, remove the panel of front and casing on the top and bottom. Here you can use a new hard disk drive HDD or else an SSD solid state drive. Solid state drive will give you a full good performance as well as it is shock resistance, you can say. HDDs are mechanical. There will be a disk rotating with high speed inside it, that is 50 to 100 rpm. So if you put your laptop on a desk with with a shock, then the hard disk gets damaged. Take your new hard disk, put both the top and bottom casing, metal casing, shielding. Put the screws in the face of diagonal, one screw at one end and the other screw at the opposite end diagonally. After fastening the screws, insert the hard disk as shown in this video. Do it carefully and gently, not vigorously. Fasten all the four screws. Place the hard disk as shown. Push it back side, drop it down, push it into the connector gently. Yes, it's locked now. Fasten these two screws below. After fastening the screws, take the hard disk compartment door, put it according to the notches, then fasten these two screws. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe to our channel. Have a good time.